In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your account on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram app. Then head over to settings and then scroll down a bit until you find privacy and security. Once you get into privacy and security, just scroll down to the very bottom where you will find automatically delete my account if away for, and by default it is set to 6 months. Here we can change it to 1 month, 3 months, 6 months or 1 year. And if we would like to delete our account immediately, we can select delete account now. On the next step, it gives us some alternative options such as change our phone number, add another account, change privacy settings, set a passcode, and some another options. However, if you decide to delete your account, you need to scroll down, hit add delete my account, and then just hit add continue and go through all of these steps of deleting your account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.